Morning, Doug.
Morning, Frank.
Morning, Ralph. Morning, Sam.
Method feeder.
Yeah. Yeah, method feeder. I need some more blank in it.
Hmm.
You
So
got yours first time, didn't you?
I did, but I was using the stuff that I took with me last trip. Well, we're down at Wynn Vale Dam again this morning. We were going to fish on the other side over there, but two people are already occupying El Primo spots, so we've come back over here. Doug knows them both, and he said, "We squeeze in here," and they said, "No, bugger off."
No, they didn't.
Yeah,
Just,
so
with 4 of us, it would have been too much, I think.
yeah, it would have been a bit crowded, or we would have had to move right up to the corner, which is not the best position.
Yeah.
So murky old day today. Was supposed to be raining this morning, but hasn't. Today is probably the best day of the 5 days this week, and hopefully there'll be no rain during the day, but tomorrow and Thursday are supposed to be very wet. Right, let's get into it. I'm going to fish unweighted bread out there once the bird's clear, and I'm going to try the method feeder straight out in front. Doug's got the method feeder, and I guess you'll use a float as well.
Of course.
Of course, yes.
Why would an old dog change his habits?
Exactly. No new tricks for that boy. So yeah, we'll see how we go, but it certainly is the quiet time of year, and our last couple of trips have definitely proven that. So hopefully we'll get a couple at least. Let's get into it. Okay, method feeder with worms. I'm going to go straight out towards that end tree on the island, and I'm just thinking worms might be the right sort of bait today, but that doesn't mean that they'll work. Alright, feeder in. Now, will I be able to get the bread out without getting hassled by the ducks? Quite possibly not. We'll see how we go. I'm not going to go too far out with that actually. I did notice a log last time I was here that's new, so I won't go too close to the snags. Look at that, got it in before the bird saw it. Okay, let's see what happens. Well, we had 2 trips up to the river, one of which produced 3 late fish for Doug. That was at Blanchetown, and our last trip to Swan Reach last week, which produced absolutely nothing, not even a bite. So hopefully today at least we'll avoid a donut. Doug is on.
I was just saying, Frank.
You were just saying, Doug.
I'd had 3 fish by last time here.
Yeah. But that seems to be a reliable spot.
Yeah. You couldn't do my float.
You want it in?
Yeah, just in case just decide to take off.
Where's your reel handle? Oh. On the khaki handed side. Well, that's broken a long drought, Doug. Big fat head.
Yeah.
Well, I was talking about the fish, but if the cap fits the big fat head.
That's the second time you said that.
Do you want me to net it?
No, I'm okay.
He doesn't trust me. He thinks I'm going to break it off.
Nothing to do with that. I'm in position.
Got him. That is a good fish. Well done, Doug.
Yeah. 16.95.
Yeah.
So it's 16 and a half.
Yeah.
Bit.
Very good. Well done, Doug. That's no donut for you. Nice fish.
No.
Biggest fish out of here for a long time.
Biggest one I've had for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And has broken the run of not very much for about the last 3 trips. And well before
the magic hour.
The magic hour, the 10:30 time slot, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if at first you don't succeed, keep trying. The guys over there just caught a fish around 10 pounds. But apart from Doug's fish earlier, not a bite. And it's coming up to the special time when this place turns on, apparently. Allegedly. Oh, now you're qualifying it.
Yeah. It's 10:30 in the summer, 11:30 in the winter.
Right.
How many times have I told you that? Hey?
Once or twice.
Yeah.
Now's the time, apparently. Oh, you wouldn't read about it.
I lost it.
You lost it?
Yeah.
We're just saying.
That was a liner.
Right, okay. Well, we were just saying it's about that time, and he's. It's that spot, yes. Well, it looked like a good fish when it surfaced.
Didn't it? Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty good. Well, that's 2 doubles in the one morning, Doug.
Well, yeah. Come on. This way, this way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Whee. Do you want me to net it for you?
Can you get over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here he comes. Should be this time. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Good on you, Frank.
That's another hot stonker.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Jesus. That's bigger.
Yes, I'd say it is too.
That is bigger. Jesus Christ. Oh. That's like... Oh, that weren't coming off.
No.
That weren't coming off.
That might be close to 20, Doug.
I know. That's what I reckon. Look at that. Just 19.6 pounds.
19.6.
Yep.
Well, 2 doubles, all right. 2 double and a halves.
Oh.
Excellent. Right, let's have a look at him.
I've caught for ages.
Yes, that's the 2 biggest carp I've seen for a long time. And I tell you what, I hate to admit it, but you're right about the time. And that spot.
Yeah, it's that spot.
It's that area.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. There's no doubt about it.
Absolutely. Well, that's a good result, a very good result. I'd just like one small one.
Yeah.
That'll keep me happy. There's a guy over the other side. You probably won't be able to see him too well, at the base of that tree with 2 green yabby nets. And I just said, Doug, would you eat yabbies out of there? He's just thrown one in. And Doug said,
I said he's probably Asian, Frank.
did you?
Yeah, but
No,
he's not.
no. But would you eat yabbies out of here?
Oh, that bit, not the racist bit. No.
You've already done the racist bit.
Oh, okay. Hold on a minute. I'll look up and see what his name is.
Would you eat yabbies out of here, Doug?
No.
No, nor would I. They'd probably be fluorescent green.
His name's Brian.
Brian.
Yeah.
Yeah,
he's
right.
He's a stereotypical Brian.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Not Bruce.
No, he's not Australian.
Well, I haven't actually seen anyone do any yabbing in here for a long time, but your game eating them. Right, I'm going to have one last cast poaching over towards where Doug got his fish, and I've actually had no real dramas getting the method feeder to fill properly today, which is good. There we go.
Yeah.
If this doesn't produce a fish, I won't be getting one today. Last chance for this one then. That's better. And the 2 guys on the other side, they've only had the 1 fish. It definitely was picked up.
Yeah.
I just saw it tightening up.
Yeah. Okay, fingers crossed.
Well, annoyingly, whatever picked up the unweighted line dropped it again. So I'm just about done. Doug's caught all the fish.
There's only 2.
Both of them.
There's only 2.
Both of them plus the one we saw the guy on the other side get. Other than that, there's been nothing. And Doug asked a little bit earlier, and I tend to concur, if there's 2 big fish out there, why aren't we catching any of the smaller ones?
Yeah. I don't think, Frank, that the small ones feed as much in the winter.
Well, I think carp in general don't feed as much in the winter. And
But if you're big and fat, you like your macas, don't you, every day? So a big fat fish just going,
that's an interesting analogy,
yeah,
Doug.
well, I'm hungry, aren't I?
Yeah, I
I
suppose.
think I'll have that.
Yeah. Well, Doug, you had a good day.
Well, Frank, I've been very lucky because I was in the spot today, and I've got to say, I haven't had 2 huge carp like that for 25 years.
No, that's 2 big doubles, because what were they again?
I think they were 16 and a half, something like that, and 19 and a half.
Yeah.
Something like that, I can't remember now, you got it on there.
Yeah.
I've forgotten because I'm getting on.
Yeah.
I haven't had 2 fish like that for over 25 years.
No, I think it'd be fair to say that for anybody, if we have a day where we catch a few carp and we get a big one, we think it's a good day. But
Yeah,
to get 2 upper doubles like that, that's outstanding, so well done.
Yeah, and just a message for Den.
Yeah.
Right, Den, I got 2 El Cheapos from Temu, right? One on here, one on there. Worked perfectly.
Did the business.
They were under 30 bucks each. These
There you go.
reels.
You were inspired by Den, weren't you?
I was. I'm inspired by anybody though, Frank.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, no, I think today the tale was that it was always going to be about getting 1 or 2 bites, and fortunately for you in this case, the 1 or 2 bites proved to be 2 big fish. So great result.
Yeah.
I got maybe 1 bite right at the end which didn't connect, and have to say, well, I was watching the something on weather the other day, and they said the wettest start to a year in South Australia for 35 years.
Yeah.
And certainly would have to agree. You can see how murky the water is, and a lot of rain expected tomorrow and the next day. So not quite sure where we might go next time.
We've already decided, Frank.
Well, I wasn't going to tell the viewers that.
No, we're keeping it secret.
Okay, we're going to...
Because you know what'll happen? Larry will end up there.
You think?
Yeah, absolutely. Larry will be there.
I don't think so. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Certainly 2 quality fish caught today. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, Doug.
Bye, Doug.